No doubt, we know this has been a long and difficult stretch for so many of you. Tonight marking day 10 since the winter storm hit, with now more than 12,000 NES customers still without power. Thank you for joining us at 10, everyone. I'm Rory Johnston. News Channel 5 investigative reporter Ben Hall and our Kelsey Gibbs pressed NES leaders today, asking directly about how prepared the utility really was for this storm and why extra help didn't arrive sooner. An internal NES audit from last year already raised red flags, warning that trouble spots like tree trimming could lead to longer outages after a natural disaster. Ben has been digging into that audit, and today he took your questions straight to those in charge.
The audit highlights risks we're seeing play out following the ice storm. NES says it increased its budget for tree trimming, even though records show it spent less.
Some areas of our community look like war zones because there are so many trees and poles down.
NES officials have repeatedly said downed trees are one of their toughest obstacles. But just 2 months before the storm hit, an internal risk management audit warned them of inadequate vegetation management and maintenance that could increase the frequency and duration of outages. Records show NES spent nearly $7 million less on tree trimming from fiscal year 2023 to 2025. NES responded in the risk management assessment and said vegetation management was placed under new management in fiscal year 2024. The utility said unforeseen challenges prevented trimming sufficient miles in 2025.
Did NES do enough on things like tree trimming prior to this storm?
Tree trimming has always been an integral part of our power maintenance program.
NES CEO Teresa Broyles-Applin insisted NES had not cut its tree trimming budget, but then acknowledged it did spend less on tree trimming last year than it did 2 years ago.
Now, I am aware there was a change in vendor a few years ago that I believe probably resulted in more favorable pricing than was previously in place.
But she could not explain what challenges prevented trimming sufficient miles last year.
You weren't on track last year. Do you know why you were not on track?
I don't recall that statement, but we are on track with our tree trimming this year.
The risk assessment also focused on prolonged outages, including those caused by natural catastrophes. NES responded its emergency response process procedures are reviewed annually. It discussed sharing through mutual aid as a way it would respond to a natural disaster.
We continue to hope that NES will be prepared to offer you and us and Nashvillians those answers in a better format.
But as outages have persisted, Mayor O'Connell has criticized the utility's communication, and state leaders have called for NES officials to resign.
Accountability is important, and we are committed to working with all of our community and political leaders.
The mayor has called for a commission to investigate the NES response to this ice storm. What's in this audit will certainly be reviewed. Ben Hall, News Channel 5 investigates.